and Tyler.
We're just out and about, and we are here today at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Well, actually, we had recently done this at another park at Dollywood. We are going to make a coaster round and test out the coasters and show with his little app he's got on his iWatch there.
We'll do the forces of the coasters and tell you which coaster is the most forceful.
Yeah, so we did it at Dollywood, and then also we had done it here before, but we only did
3 of them.
3 of them because it was last summer when they had limited rides open.
Now we're gonna do all 7 of them.
We're gonna go ahead, make a round, and do all of them. So while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Alright, so do you want to give your prediction of what's going to be the most forceful?
The one we're standing in front of.
That one right there?
The oldie but goldie.
The Arrow Looper?
The Arrow Looper.
There goes Loch Ness. So I think it could it's probably going to be Loch Ness too. Yeah. That pulls the most G's. But we'll see. We'll see.
Chris says Griffin.
You say Griffin?
Into the first drop.
Okay.
I'll be glad to be close.
So anyway, let's go ride. We'll see.
Nessie.
Things will be Nessie. Alright. Oh, and one more thing, y'all. We got the GoPro. Here they'll let you video on ride POV, so we'll show some clips from the ride. You do have to stop up at guest services and get approval and them look and make sure it's secure. So we'll be able to put on ride footage on this one. So first ride down, Loch Ness Monster.
I think it might be the winner.
It came in, combined forces came in at 3.9 G's. All right, where are we headed to next?
The Griffin.
Head to the Griffin. Next up is the Griffin.
The forceless Griffin.
Tyler doesn't think Griffin will win. I can't even remember. We did Griffin last year, but I swear I can't even remember what it was. So we're gonna try it again. Show you some on-ride footage. This is a B&M dive coaster. So anyway, I don't care, forceful or not forceful, it's a lot of fun. Front row is the way to go though. Here we go. Tyler, move his feet out of the way.
Woo! Weak.
Woo! we've already lost.
I protest. I protest.
Okay,
I just didn't hold my thing right on Loch Ness.
Yeah, right. Okay, so what did Griffin come up to? Combined forces.
4.3.
4.3. And where was that? In the second?
The second drop.
The second drop?
The second drop's more forceful than the first.
Okay. All right. Well, hey, we are moving on. I think InvadR will be next.
Yep.
All right, InvadR, here we come. This is a GCI Woody. InvadR came in at a 4.1. So far we have Loch Ness in the bottom, unlike me and Tyler had anticipated. Then we have InvadR and we have Griffin. So we are headed now to Alpengeist. Said he should have gone with his gut feeling to begin with.
I should have went with my coaster here. Should have went with Alpengeist.
Alpengeist took the lead as far as the G-force goes. 4.4, right.
Yeah.
And we had a little technical difficulty with the GoPro. It froze up on me, so we didn't really get any on-ride footage of that. But anyway, I think next up is Verbolten.
Yep.
We've got 3 left: Verbolten, Tempesto, and Apollo Chariot. Don't look back as you brave the Black Forest. All right, first launch, guys. Here we go! Tyler's trying to tally up the records here. Recording. Sometimes it takes a minute, he's got to get his phone back out, don't you? And just as a note, that is, this app is Ride Force, is what it is. What did it come in at?
3.9. It tied Loch Ness Monster as the weakest in the world.
3.9 G's. Next up is Tempesto. We're gonna give it a try, see how many G's it pulls. Tempesto is a Premier Skyrocket 2. There were some G's right there. So, what did it come in at, Tyler?
4.9.
4.9.
1 point away from 5G.
Yeah, on Tempesto.
So that's probably gonna be our winner.
I think that definitely took the lead so far. The only thing left is Apollo's Chariot. So I already know that Apollo is not going to be 4.9. But I don't mind this ride. It's not my favorite. The main thing is those comfort bars. They're
not comfortable.
They're not comfortable.
And the trains are too tight.
Yeah, it's not easily an in and out, you know, ride. But anyway, we're going to Apollo. Let's see what happens. All right. That wraps it up right there. That's it. Apollo's Chariot came in at a 4.2.
Yep.
So Tyler was closer on his guess on that one than I was. Because what did I say? 3.8, 3.9.
Yeah, I said 4.0.
You said 4.0. Chris said 4.0. So wraps it up. Tempesto is the coaster in Busch Gardens Williamsburg that pulled the most G's.
And my pick, old faithful Nessie, was tied for last.
That's right. Hope this was fun. A little bit of information for everybody when you are trying to decide which coaster you can handle.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. So I took so long to do the video from last August is when we were doing the Coaster Force thing. I took so long to do the video that I haven't released it yet. And now Pantheon is open. So we decided that, hey, we'll go ahead, add the clip in here for the Pantheon ride force and see what the forces are on it. Be sure and put that. As we remember, Tempesto actually won the, won the forces last year. So, yeah, we'll see whether Pantheon beats out Tempesto. What are you guessing?
I think so.
You think it will? You think it will?
Yeah.
I can't even remember now how many G's Tempesto had. It was almost.
It was in the 5.
It was almost 5. I think it was 4 point something, if I'm not mistaken. But it's been a while since I looked at it. But we'll see what Pantheon has. Finishes up our coaster force. I think we covered everything since we've come back and added Pantheon.
That's all of them.
Yep. So I'm going to add this clip to the end of the video that I haven't released yet.
Pantheon was 4.3.
4.36 is actually what it showed on the ride force. That was the front row, okay, because we never did do it in the check it in the back row or anything. So 4.36 in the front row,
which means Tempesto is still your winner. Tempesto is still the reigning champ at Busch Gardens.
Yep, as far as it goes with the ride forces. But anyway, thanks for joining us on this one. Hopefully that helps you decide whether you are ready to ride the coasters at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.